if finding leads is the exciting part, but getting their contact details feels like a chore. Keep watching. Get ready to streamline your email outreach with Apollo Easy Scraper. You know the drill. You find the perfect leads on Apollo, but then you have to click, copy, paste. It's tedious and it's time consuming. What if you could download hundreds of verified emails with just few clicks? Well, guess what? You could do that now, and it's surprisingly easy. Let me introduce you to Apollo Easy Scraper. This powerful tool automates the boring part of lead generation. With just a few clicks, you could bulk scrape emails from other valuable contact data, save countless hours of manual work, build targeted outreach list in a flash. Let me show you how simple it is. First, you need to install the Apollo Easy Scraper extension. Next, set up a layout in apollo.io that includes the information you want, like email address, phone number, and company names. Then, create a list in Apollo and add your targeted leads. Finally, open your list, activate the Apollo Easy Scraper extension, and watch it work its magic. It automatically gathers all contact data and explores it into a neat CSV file. No tech wizard required, I promise. With Apollo Easy Scraper, you'll transform your lead generation workflow. Say goodbye to endless copying and pasting. Visit the link in the description to get Apollo Easy Scraper today. Want to make your Apollo search even more effective? Here's a quick bonus tip. Use advanced filters to narrow down your results and find those super verified leads with email status filter. Experiment with keywords, job titles, company size, and more. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more time-saving automation tips.